Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow ornamental grass from seed, or how to collect the seed from the ornamental grass. Now there's lots of different varieties of ornamental grass, and they're so easy to grow, just like the grass in your lawn. This is a type of flax from New Zealand, and it grows real bushy and real easy to grow, just like regular grass. This is mondo grass from Japan. It's really not even officially a grass. It's in the lily family. I've got this Mexican feather grass. It's just so beautiful and feathery from Mexico. And then I've got bamboo, which grows on almost every continent of the world, and it's just a grass as well. So when you're trying to grow ornamental grass from seed, it's really simple. It's just like growing grass seed. And as if you notice, this bamboo right here has created a stem just like wheat would, and it's got little seeds on it. So by saving these little seeds, I'm just saving them. In the fall is generally when they produce the seeds. So just go down the branch and just save all the little seeds. And then in the spring, mostly end of January, February, even into March, you can start these seeds, whether you start them in a little container, water it well, and it'll come up and grow lush, beautiful ornamental grass for you that summer.